Honor's most anticipated gaming smartphone, the Honor Play, has recently been released along with features such as GPU boost and AI. But the question is, why pay more for an expensive flagship when the Honor Play is only priced at $1,249? This is Keegan from TechNative.com, and today I'll be giving you 3 top reasons why you should get the Honor Play. First, play PUBG Mobile a lot? You're in luck. The Honor Play comes featured with the GPU Turbo technology, which increases the performance of the device while playing PUBG Mobile to give you a smoother and clearer experience to get the chicken dinner. But wait, PUBG Mobile only ah? No. As for 9, God, Mobile Legends sure got one. More GPU Turbo compatible games coming to the Honor Play near you. Secondly, did you know that the Honor Play is fitted with the top of the line silicone Kirin 970 that comes with a neural network processing unit which offers various features such as the AI 4D Smart Shock, which will vibrate based on the sound effects of the game you're playing, and the AI 3D surround sound, which offers a more immersive and cinematic experience while gaming. The Kirin 970 isn't just used for gaming though. It is also used for other features such as AI photography and AI battery management. Paired with the 3750 mAh battery, this will ensure that you have enough battery life to play games until the next morning. Last but not least, the Honor Play gives you the best value for your money, being priced at $1,249. How often do you see a flagship chipset on a phone like this? Imagine if you have 2,000 ringgit to buy a gaming smartphone and you bought the Honor Play. You potentially have enough money to buy 751 nasi lemak. Trust me, I did the math.
For more info, you can check out Honor Malaysia's official website, Shopee, and Honor authorized stores across Malaysia.
And there you have it. Those were the top 3 reasons why you should get the Honor Play. For more videos like this, stay tuned to TechNative.com.